Hello guys, it's Dale here with a weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, 13th of June 2022. Now before I go into the trading ideas, there's one thing that I like to show you, and it is a brand new course that I've just released. This is my website, and if you click this banner, this is where you can check the course out. The course is called Stock Investing with a Volume Profile, so let me click it and show you around. So in here there's a video that explains everything that you're going to get with the course. It is a long-term investing course that focuses on investing into stocks, and I really think that currently this is the best time to go through such a course, considering what's going on with the global economy. I didn't really plan it this way, but I think that right now the timing of releasing the course is just perfect. So anyways, this is a video where you'll learn everything that's included in the Stock Investing with Volume Profile course. You can also go through the description in here, and this is where you can get it. Currently there is a discounted price. It is an initial sale, so you can get it cheaper, and later the price of the course will rise. Right, so that's about the new course. I really recommend checking it out. I put a lot of effort into the course. It's full of brand new content, and I'm sure that you'll love it. So yeah, that's about that. Let's now go and check out the charts and the trading ideas. The first trading idea that I like to talk about is on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. What you see before you is a 30-minute chart of the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and I want to talk about resistance that's currently in here at 0.9073. And this resistance is based on a setup which I called rejection setup. It is a volume profile based setup, and what you need to see is a rejection like this. This is a rejection of higher prices, and it is very aggressive rejection as buyers were pushing the price aggressively upwards, and then sellers started to jump in and they reversed the course of the price completely and started this strong sell-off. So this is the rejection area, and what you want to see there is a significant volume zone. If I zoom it in a bit, you can see it very nicely in here, right? In this little rotation at the top of the rejection, right before the start of this strong sell-off. So I think that the sellers who rejected the higher prices were active in here, were mostly active in here. They placed their shorts in here, and then they started to push the price downwards. So this should be a significant zone. This whole area should be a significant zone beginning at 973, and from this zone, from this resistance zone, the price should react, right? Because the sellers from this place should defend this resistance zone, and they should protect their shorts which they placed in this area, and they should push the price downwards from this place again. Right, so this is the resistance on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And let's now check out another trading idea, and the next one will be on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So what I have in here is a setup, a volume profile setup, which is called the volume accumulation setup. In here it is pretty nicely visible. There was a rotation in here, and from that rotation really strong selling activity started. What this is telling us is that within this rotation, those heavy volumes which you can see in this rotation, strong sellers were building up their short positions, and then they manipulated the price to go downwards. But this area where they place those shorts is still very important for them, because they placed all of their shorts there, right? So this zone should work as a strong resistance. It is at 95.27, and when the price makes a pullback to this resistance, there should be a reaction, right? Sellers from this place should defend this heavy volume area where they placed a lot of their short positions, and they should push the price downwards from there again. So that's for the volume accumulation setup on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's now check out another trading idea, and it will be on the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. So what I have in here is also a volume accumulation setup, the same setup as in the previous trading idea, and this one is based on those volumes within this rotation and on this selling activity, this strong and aggressive selling activity that took place after this rotation. So again, the logic is the same as in the previous case. Strong sellers were building up their short positions in here in this rotation. You can see that on the volume profile because it's very wide here, and this is telling us that heavy volumes were accumulated there, right? So strong sellers were building up their short positions in here, and then they pushed the price downwards. So when there's a pullback to 77.85, I expect a reaction from this heavy volume zone, and I expect that sellers from this place will defend this zone, this resistance, and that the price will bounce off this heavy volume zone and make a nice selling reaction. All right, so that's about this trading idea. And before I wrap this video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time in the last weekly trading ideas video. The prize of the contest was a volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning in the contest. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. And the only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. All right, so that's about that. That's about the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading.